Hi guys! This is Jenn again, your sexy cusinera. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jenn Reyes Vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click the bell button for more uploads. Now I will teach you how to cook sweet and sour chicken a la Chowking. First, we will marinate our half kilo of chicken. You can choose breast or any part that you want. You can check the description box for the links of my previous videos on how to marinate and cook a very crispy fried chicken. Now, I'm showing here a fast review on marinating and cooking crispy fried chicken. Right now, I'm coating our chickens one by one. Now we're ready to fry our breaded chicken. We will fry it by 10 minutes, 5 minutes by each side. Now, naluto na siya. Isi-set aside muna natin ang ating cooked chicken. We will start to cook now our sweet and sour sauce. First, we will saute 3 cloves minced garlic, then put 1 thumb sliced ginger, saute until it's golden brown. After it's done, we will put 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, one cup water, a dash of salt, then 3 teaspoons sugar, half teaspoon of pepper, dash of sesame oil to have that authentic taste, three tablespoons vinegar, just stir it. Two tablespoons ketchup, add the quartered medium onion, we will add cornstarch mixture or slurry, we're doing this to thicken the sauce. Haluin na natin siya ng haluin, guys. Simmer this for 2 minutes. And if it's boiling, we can put now the chicken we cooked a while ago. Lastly, we will put our bell peppers. Simmer this for 3 minutes. Ready na ang ating sweet and sour chicken. Leave some comments down below about my recipe today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Jenn Reyes Vlogs. See you on my next videos. Bye!